Right, today we've got something rather extraordinary. This is a jar full of hammerhead shark specimens. And there's something quite strange at the bottom that I'm not entirely sure about. We're going to open it up carefully and see what's inside. These are all preserved animal specimens from a university collection. Let's get started, shall we?
This is Odd Animal Specimens. Alright.
Oh, look at this. This is absolutely fascinating. Here's an extremely tiny hammerhead shark pup. And the condition is remarkable. Really wonderful after all these years. Look closely, the head is in great shape. The dorsal fin looks excellent. The pectoral fins are perfect. And just see that little mouth. Here are the pelvic fins as well. They look fantastic. The tail is intact too. Usually when I open these jars, I'm never quite sure what to expect. But this one is remarkably complete. It almost looks like a little toy shark. Some specimens have a slit down the middle from previous research. But this one is beautifully preserved. Straight away, a few questions come to mind. What exact type of hammerhead is this? And what's that feathery thing at the bottom of the jar? Let's pull out the information tag at the bottom. This should help. It says, collection of fishes from the University of Michigan Museum of Zoology. The species is Sphyrna tiburo, that's the bonnethead shark, also known as the shovelhead. Adult bonnetheads grow between 2 and 4 feet long, so this little one is clearly a pup. If you look at the head, it doesn't have the classic hammer shape yet, more like a shovel. Which is why they're sometimes called shovelheads. Locality, collected from the Bahamas. Specifically Bimini, at the Lerner Marine Lab dock on the 10th of July 1957. Nearly 70 years old, and still in such good condition, quite impressive. Now that we have a couple of specimens out, here's something rather useful. You can tell whether a shark is male or female by looking at the pelvic fins. These ones here are just smooth flaps, nothing protruding. That means this is a female pup. This next one looks the same. So we've got 2 little girls so far. We'll check the others later to see if we have any males. I'm going to place these over here and give them a quick spray of water to keep them from drying out. There's another tag here mentioning a 7-pound female. None of these pups are anywhere near that size. Which makes me think, these aren't just random pups. I believe they were removed from the reproductive tract of that 7-pound female during preservation. This next part is a bit tricky. Look carefully, you can see this little shark is still attached to something feathery. Yes, that's the umbilical cord, connected right to that belly button area. It's all rather tangled, but let's carefully unravel it. This is quite incredible. I believe our suspicions were correct. These feathery structures are the umbilical cords. And what we're looking at here is a group of shark embryos that hadn't been born yet. They're still connected to part of the mother's reproductive tract. Fascinating, isn't it? Remember how we tell males from females? Let's check these ones. Most of them have the smooth pelvic fins like the earlier females. But look at this one, see those 2 small structures jutting out? Those are called claspers, which means this is a male. So far we've got 4 females and 1 male. Continuing, another female here, and this one has a little metal tag near the mouth. Used by scientists for identification. And here we have another male. The very last one, yes, that's a female too. In total, we have a litter of 7 bonnethead shark embryos, 5 females and 2 males. Fascinating, isn't it? Remand, here's one last tag that puts everything together. It confirms that these embryos came from the 7-pound female Sphyrna tiburo that was preserved for scientific study. So, this jar contains the embryos that were carefully removed from the mother back in 1957. It's a remarkable glimpse into shark development and the work of university museums. What did you think of this one? Quite extraordinary, I must say. Which specimen would you like to see me open next? Perhaps another shark, a snake, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, do give it a like and subscribe for more fascinating scientific specimens. Thanks for watching, see you next time.